Kia ora anō. Welcome to part 2 about ngā tūkē. In this video, I'll be talking about adverbs of degree and showing you how they work in a sentence. Adverbs of degree are words that are usually used to give a measure of degree to two āhua, which are adjectives. There are some examples. We've got examples here of positive, comparative, and superlative adverbs of degree. The positives, tino, meaning very, in this instance, and āhua, meaning quite or kind of. Some sentences here using those. He tino a tāhua te marae. The marae is very beautiful. And I āhua makariri te huarere inanahi. The weather was quite cold yesterday. The comparative adverbs of degree I've used here are ake and iho, which generally speaking mean more or less. For example, he pai ake te iti I te kore. A little is better than nothing. And he iti iho te kiore I te arawhana. The mouse is smaller than the elephant. Lastly, superlative adverbs tino, this time meaning the most, and rawa atu. Here's some examples of how those are used in a sentence as well. Ko hone te kaiaka tino tere. Hone is the fastest athlete. And ko mere te kaiako ata whai rawatu. Mere is the kindest teacher. Here's some examples of how the kupu rawa is used as an adverb of degree. By itself, rawa indicates that there is too much of something, or too much of a certain quality. He reka rawa te keke, the cake is too sweet. He reka rawa atu te keke, the cake is really sweet. And he tino reka rawa atu te keke, the cake is extremely sweet. So just to recap, adverbs of degree are used to indicate the intensity or a quality of an adjective or a tūāhua. Whether it's very, sort of, more, less, bigger, smaller, faster, or simply the best, there's an adverb of degree to suit the purpose. If you're finding these videos helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Next up, adverbs of manner. Ngā mihi nui kia koutou katoa. Hei kona.